everyone. My name is Areesha Fatima, and I'm so excited to have you all here today. We are kicking off our very first step into the world of HTML, the language that powers every web page on the internet. If you have ever wondered how websites are built, this is the perfect place to begin. Let's learn together and make your first web page from VS Code. So first we will open this Visual Studio Code, and here we will click on open folder, and then we will make a folder in local disk C. No, we will not never make a folder in local disk C. We will make in D, E or F. So I'm making in D, and here you will click on new folder and name it what you want. I will do it like index, and select folder. When you will select folder, this page will come. Then you will click on yes, I trust the authors, and then this is the file option. You will click in here and give your topic. I am using index.html. You will use html.html at end. It is compulsory. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So first we will write here HTML, and here we will click on the second option, and this basic codes are done for us. HTML is a root and element. Head is contains meta info like title and links, and the body contains the visible content on the page. And these are the basic tags, and we will first use this head, and this is the title where you will write title in center of these two. Okay, so I'm writing index here, and in the body, here are plenty of tags in Visual Studio Code. So we will, if we see heading, so if for heading 1 we will use H1. Is the very big uh, big heading. We will write it is my first class. Then we will go live, and this page will come. Look, we will have written it is my first class in H1 in body. So it is visible here, and we will and we have written the topic in the title and head, so it is visible here. You can see here, and this is the H1, and then you will cross, and if you will use it, okay, we will use here H2. If you will use H2, it is like it is my first class. So now we will run start debugging. You can use run and start debugging and then web app Chrome, or just start live. Look, heading 2 is smaller than heading 1, and this is our topic or title, you can say. You can just click in go live or run and debug, or this one, run and debug. These three are uh, we can click to see that what we have done. So now I'm using heading 3. It is my first class. So now run and debug. I will click on run and debug, and look, heading 3 is smaller than heading 2. Heading 2 is smaller than heading 1. So these are just 6 headings, and I will use them all. H4. Yeah, it is my first class. And now I will run and debug. So look, heading 4 is very small. Heading 4 is smaller than heading 3. Heading 3 is smaller than heading 2, and heading 2 is smaller than heading 1. Now I will use heading 5, H, and this is 5. It is my first class. Now I will use heading 6, H, and it is 6. It is my first class. Sorry, class. Now run and debug. And look, heading 6 is very small, and it is smaller than heading 5. Heading 5 is smaller than heading 4. Heading 4 is smaller than heading 3. Heading 3 is smaller than heading 2. Heading 2 is smaller than heading 1. And heading 1 is very much big. And now we will use another tag. It is called E. Yes, it means paragraph. Now I will, my name is Areesha. I read in class 6. Now I will run and debug, and look, this one is paragraph 1. It is heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6, and it is the paragraph. Okay, another tag is used for breaking. It is called break row, and here we will call it BR. It is usually used for breaking a row. BR. This is BR. Now we will look what is it. Look, this row is break. This row is broken now because we have used this tag in it. BR. Okay. Now, if we have to add a list, so we will do just li, no, not li, sorry, we will use OL. There are basically two types of lists: order list and unordered list. This is order list, and here we will use li for list. Then I will do app. I will write apple, and here I will go down. Then li. Then sorry. Here I will write orange, and look how it looks. Look how interesting it looks. An order list, it use numbering, and in unordered list, I'll show you unordered list, then li, and here we will just simply copy it, Control C, and paste it, Control V, then li, and then we will just type orange. I am copy pasting here, copy and paste. Yes, and run and debug. And look, this is our unordered list, and this is our order list. And now I think we should uh, I should tell you next course in the next class. So till then, bye bye. Okay, bye bye.